hi. I just hit the cupboard door. Oh, I meant to have this plugged onto me. Plugged onto me? Clipped onto me. We're back with the tiny mic. See how she goes. I can't figure out if the sound quality is better with or without the shitty mic. It's another Bulking Diaries episode, but it's super exciting because we are just 6 days out from Christmas. And I'm having a very cute Christmassy day with the love of my life, basically. She is my everything. She's my best friend, but she's just the best. I haven't even had any coffee yet. So yeah, she's coming over to the house. I am looking after Pipperino, Sir Pippin, King of Kings. We're gonna watch Single All the Way, which is, I know it's bad, but it's so good. And we love a spiritual moment, so we're gonna do, winter solstice is actually tomorrow. Hey babe, King of Kings, blessing us with his presents. Yeah. He's sniffing the tripod. We are going to do a little winter solstice ritual releasing thing. Going to burn some shit, I think, food-wise and everything. We're going to have some nice, tasty food. And right now, it's very early. It's 6:30 in the morning. I've just got back from walking Pip. I'm going to bake some snickerdoodle cookies for my friend because last time she came around, I just happened to bake them. She really liked them, and we weren't going to do Christmas presents this year, but I was like, do you know what? I'm just going to bake her and her partner up a little batch of snickerdoodle cookies, and that'll be her gift. And I got her, because it's so random, because when I made the snickerdoodle, why can't I say snickerdoodle cookies? She was like, oh, are they peanut butter? And I was like, no. And she was convinced they should have peanut butter in them. So I bought her just a nice jar of peanut butter, because after she said that, I was like, oh, peanut butter. So I was don't judge me. Don't judge me. I was dipping the snickerdoodle cookie into the peanut butter. So I'm going to make sure nice high protein breakfast. I'm going to make a coffee and walnut baked oats. Who is she? But the protein powder I've got, my protein powder choices are either chocolate hazelnut or, you can hear Pip drinking, salted caramel. I'm going to go salted caramel. I feel like that's going to work better with the coffee and walnut rather than hazelnut and chocolate and coffee and walnut. That's a lot. Right, let's do this baking. I'm going to put on the most unhinged Christmas music ever. I can't believe it's the 20th of December. I haven't even listened to this album yet. I fucking love it. It's the Disney Princess. It's the Disney Princess Christmas album. It's mental. It's fully mental. And normally I crack it out on the 1st of December, and I just haven't this year. It's my first time listening. I'm very excited. Very excited. Oh, I should have studied. Why didn't I film all this in front of the fucking Christmas tree? Right, I need to try and film this without flashing my tits, because I haven't got a bra on right now. Just made my breakfast. I tried a little bit, so it's baked oats. I said I was making the coffee and walnut baked oats. Completely making up the recipe, and I just tried a bit of the raw mix, just off the spoon. And it tastes really good. I put the salted caramel protein powder in there, so I'm quite excited. I stuck some blueberries in there for, micronutrients and all that jazz. The hair is gone fully mad. I don't know what to do with my hair today now. It's gone crazy. The cookies have turned out beautifully. Very happy with them. I'm just waiting for them to cool down, and then I'm gonna try and wrap them. I'm hoping I've got enough time for them to cool so I can package them up, which is why I was baking at 6:30 a.m. How has this bulk been going? It's all good. So what are we? Gosh, nearly 3 months in. I'm over. I was planning to do the bulk for 5 months, but I think I'm going to go 6. Just to give me a little, I was going to put raisins in it. Just to give me a little bit extra time. I'm enjoying myself on this bulk. And I didn't want to get too chunky because the last time I did a bulk, I got big. I got real big. But I'm doing okay. I'm a few or like 2-3 kilos off of where I sort of was aiming to get. And I'm like, I don't think I'm going to look too bad. So I'm going to keep going. With that said, this week has not been great. I have been poorly again. And as you remember from episode 3, I was poorly not that long ago. So it's my second cold in like just over a month, which I'm not happy about. It's not as bad. I didn't feel as awful as with the last cold. Like that really hit me hard. But it just seems to be lingering a lot longer. So I've only gotten into the gym once this week. Did I go twice? No, I managed to go twice. I'm going to go tomorrow, but that means I've only got in 3 sessions this week. So that's a little bit annoying. And then I'm away for Christmas. I'm not going to go to the gym while I'm away. So training wise, we've kind of like 2025 is done with the training, and I was due a deload week anyway, so it's not the end of the world, but it's a little bit frustrating to have missed out on a few good workouts. But there you have it. What are you going to do? You know, life is life. Life is life. That's when my binge eating tendencies can come out, when I'm like not doing anything. If I'm just lying around, like I guess I'm getting bored or I'm feeling a little bit low because I don't feel well. I ate 750 grams of Biscoff in 3 days. That's not good. So that's something we need to look at addressing. But I think with the diet, I'm gonna just move forward from now. I think I may change my mind, but definitely over like the Christmas period. With intuitive eating, I don't think I'm going to track for the remainder of this bulk. I'll just really focus on making sure I'm getting enough protein. So I can kind of guess how much protein is in my meals because I tend to eat the similar meals. So I think that's kind of where we're at, like bulking date upwise? Bulking update wise. Yeah? That's a sentence, right? Oh, right. I'm going to go eat my breakfast. And then how long have I got? Okay, I've got like an hour until my friend gets here. So I need to, this needs to change. I'm looking much more presentable now. But yeah, the cookies turned out good. I think she might be here. I thought I'd maybe baked them for too long, but I think they're good. Hopefully she'll like them. I hear Pippin stirring, so she may have just parked up. So I'm going to go check. But let the festivities commence. Oh my gosh, today's absolutely flown by. Like, I don't know where the time went. It was so good to see my friend and just hang out, have a nice chilled day, because I've been feeling really like burnt out actually, like because I've not been well this week. I'm just ready for a little Christmas break now, so it was nice to just hang out. The burning, I can't remember if I mentioned this earlier, we tried to do a burning ritual to like get rid of all the stuff we're not carrying into 2025, and it did not go well. Like, it was too windy outside, so like every time we tried to light the paper, it just blew out. And then we tried to do it in the house and like just put like the paper in the sink and like tried to light it, and then it just like smoked us out. It was like ridiculous. So we ended up just like tearing it up and burying it in the garden. Get in! There we go. I can still see you. Fucking hell. There we go. And then we just watched Single All the Way, so it's super fun. I'm gonna end it here because all I'm gonna do now is edit this. Is basically how I'm spending my evening. I feel so shit again. Like, I just don't know. Like, I can't seem to shake this cold at the moment. Like, I'm hoping. I really want to go to the gym tomorrow. I really hope I feel better tomorrow so I can go to the gym. I'll be annoyed if I can't. But it is what it is. Sometimes you get sick and sometimes you can't go to the gym, okay? It's just annoying, as I said, hello. It's just annoying, as I said, like, I was ill like a few weeks ago. So to be ill again, it's like, for fuck's sake. I don't know what to eat tonight. Like, I'm full. Like, I really don't need to eat anything else. I'm very aware, like, I've not really had any protein today. I think I'll just make myself like a proteiny hot chocolate. All I've had a lot of pastry. I didn't realise. So I just grabbed the packet because it said pigs in blankets. So I grabbed that packet. It was pigs in like pastry. And then I also bought sausage rolls. So basically we just had 2 kinds of sausage rolls. Like, it was a lot. A lot of pastry, a lot of sausage, but because it was vegan, like plant-based, there's not a lot of protein in like that sort of fake meat. So, yeah, a lot of carbs. I keep hitting the mic with my fucking chin. That is another episode done, and that's a little Christmassy episode. Obviously, have a lovely little Christmas. I don't know when this is going out. Maybe Christmas Eve, maybe the day before. I don't know. I'll see you in the next one.